Hello, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Good? Yeah, but why are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Okay, okay. All right. So tell me something about yourself.
Hmm. My name is Athar Sharma. I am from Cambridge Scott School. My age is 9, and
Any hobby? Sports,
my
music,
hob my hobby is skating.
skating? You like skating?
Yes,
Ice skating or just normal skating?
normal skating.
Normal skating. Good. And tell me about your education background, like what you like. Computer science, English.
I like science.
You like simple science, like physics, chemistry, biology. Oh, sorry, science. Okay, I got it. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit about them. But there are all sections of physics, chemistry, biology, na? You know about that. Yeah. Environmental science is also there?
No,
Okay, no problem.
क्या तो हो रहा है?
So I will give you my introduction. My name is Rohan. Okay. I work as a coding educator in Bright Gems. Okay. It's in USA I work basically. Means remotely. Work from home, but I teach US students. So I just wanted to know that which is your favorite subject, and coding is what you know, what you like the most. Which subject you have problems? Mathematics, any subjects?
Maths.
Maths one, okay. Second, hello ma'am, hello, good afternoon ma'am.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मैम, आप बता सकते क्या इसको क्या करना है, कैसे मतलब आपका मेन फोकस क्या है, आपका मेन गोल क्या है इसको ट्रेनिंग देने का?
Mm,
आप
English.
इसका रूटीन बनाना चाहते हैं, या आप चाहते हैं ये अच्छे मार्क्स लाए, या फिर नॉलेज करे? और आजकल वैसे भी ना कंप्यूटर साइंस का थोड़ा डिपार्टमेंट भारी हो रहा है आजकल, ठीक है? तो आप बताइए, आप मैं क्या पढ़ाऊँ इसको, तो क्या डेमो में क्या करना चाहता है, बताओ।
Sir, three subject any topic: math, science, English.
मैथ, साइंस, इंग्लिश, ओके.
Yeah.
So you are in fourth grade, Athar, if I'm wrong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me any topic of your mathematics syllabus?
First chapter is large numbers.
Large numbers, or you can say whole numbers.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the any number from 1 to 100, it's like a natural numbers. Okay.
33
Hmm. What are prime numbers? Can you tell me?
prime numbers.
Hmm. Okay. Maybe it's in your not in your syllabus. Maybe in fifth grade you will be there. Okay. So there is quadratic equations is also there. Can you tell me any topic of your mathematics? Because uh,
No. Yes, Roman numbers.
Roman numbers. Okay, these are like Greek numbers. You know, lambda, theta, beta. That's not. That's not. It's a part of number system. So I think the chapter name is number system, if I'm not wrong. No. Okay.
Large numbers.
Large numbers. Okay. But the main heading should be number systems, and everything's come on that topic. Many things come on that topic. All right. So you know how to add. You know addition.
Yes.
You know subtraction. You know multiplication. You know division. You know about percentage. Okay. And what else? You know about fractions.
Hmm.
A little bit. Okay. Right. What else left? Fractions, addition. Okay. Do you know about board mass? Do you know about board mass?
What?
Board mass bracket.
No, no, no.
Okay, no. So I'm getting that you are in a very basic, basic mathematics skills you have. Okay, all right. So tell me your board.
CBSE.
CBSE.
Okay, CBSE board. And give me 1 minute, okay? Let me check mathematics CBSE board syllabus. You want to study English also?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know about grammar? What do you know? What is a noun?
Noun are the naming words.
Okay. Partial right, partial wrong. What's our pronoun?
Pronoun means that one specific thing.
Okay. What is an adjective?
Adjectives not in our syllabus.
Oh, it should be. See, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb,
में
adjective.
ग्रामर आ रहा है ग्रामर में नाउन्स आ रहे हैं बस
Nouns are and numbers are and genders are.
All right. Okay. So now I can see like in my laptop that okay, wait. Shapes are also there. Okay, and hide and seek, which is geometry objects or mathematical figures. Okay, okay, it's not right. All right.
But Cambridge Court won the school.
Sorry.
Cambridge Court won the school.
Okay, very good, very good. So the one is mathematics, one is English, and the third subject is science.